And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
So slimy, grimy, shiesty but still shining, rude and unkindly, crew with no kind, off the top on college, nigga, I ain't with no nine, I'm a murderer, nigga, but I don't promote violence. Dead shot, they just with your head, bro. I gotta lock the box. What's in that box? Don't tell them they might show the cops. Wristwatch, normal, so I flood the clock. Money flop, panties drop, that's when them titties pop. Free my pop, John Wick, till they free as fuck the cops. Fuck, they know I geek a lot. They don't know I keep a Glock. Ain't been no drop. They think I've been sleep a lot. They think I'm dog. They don't know I see the plot. See it, fuck it, I season now. Work it just to start a pop 2 ghosts of purple just to warm up 2 ghosts.
Leave it open.
No, open, shut it, yeah.
Hold up. Run down, man.
Yeah, what up?
USB, bro. You gotta bear with me for a second.
I'm good, man. I'm waiting on you.
What up, but there we go out. If somebody show up, show out. Red shady. Attitude, fuck, baby. Let me see what it cool now. When the thing up, go down. Twice. Tight. Twice. Tight. Sundown. Reverend. Yeah. Trip. Ride. Red shady.
Yes, sir. What you got running here, man?
2 JP63s at 0.5 on 4 DTX Stream signals.
Oh, this is them new one.
Yeah.
Man, my first demo in it.
Hell yeah.
Man.
They really need some more power. I'm capped out on what I'm getting on these 63s right now.
I'm going a little more. Go. You going to the 93 or the 83?
Yeah, probably the 83s.
Yeah.
Honestly, I might just switch to the Ruthless 10Ks.
Yeah. Them, I've been seeing a lot on them too. Them been doing good too.
Yeah.
I guess you can wire them really low in the dirt if you needed to. Yeah, that's the main thing.
They some bad motherfuckers for sure, bro.
Yeah, for sure. Okay.
I'm trying to play everything.
Okay.
Ripping the back door, check this. Relieving your stress.
Yeah, it's still
Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
I sure appreciate it, man.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.